If Kanye West, Mr. Ye, cannot be found, that's good. In this moment, in this time, that's a very good thing. He shall not be found because in Kanye, God is doing a new thing. And through Kanye, God is doing a new thing. When I was in prayer a few nights ago, and even a few weeks ago, I heard that. That's what I heard when I was in prayer, dedicating an hour for Kanye in prayer. And I heard, do not worry yourself, children of the Most High Yah, the bride of Christ. Do not worry, pray. Do not worry that Kanye is missing in a bad way or they're killing him, or do not worry but pray and stay in constant prayer. Fast and pray for that one. Fast and pray for that one instead of worry. Don't you worry your pretty little head. Even there was another time, oh, I need to wipe my nose. There was another time I was praying and I heard, concerning Kanye, I heard, I want the exact words. Watch, sit back and watch the show. Sit back and watch the show. I was deep in prayer. Now, God is a mysterious God, full of mystery. And God is not going to just hand you his hand, show you what cards he's playing with. No, that's not God's way. God is God. And God is not simple, but yet he is very simple. But to say it in another way, because the Bible says that God will not share his secrets with the enemy. For what? If God let even his own children know his next move before he move it, so the enemy will know it as well. Okay? So God, don't just move like that. When it come on to Kanye, don't you worry your pretty little head. Just stay in prayer and keep your faith alive. Keep your hope in God and believe. So we are in the age of Aquarius. We are past belief. The children of the Most High Yah, we are past belief. We should surpass belief in this day, in this hour. In this hour we shall know with all our heart and soul. We shall know by now. We shall know by now what the truth is. And so in your heart and in your soul, you shall know. You shall know. When you pray, God will let you know. Okay? In my prayer, what I heard was two things. The first one was sit back and watch the show. You don't have to do a thing. Just pray. All you have to do for Kanye is stay in constant prayer for him, fast and pray for him. The second thing I heard was God says, I am doing a new thing in Kanye and through Kanye. I am doing a new thing. So saints, children of the Most High Yah, it's good news. It's a good day. Every day is a good day. You keep your spirits up, keep your head up, and keep your prayers going. Keep your light burning. Keep that lamp burning on behalf of the one, Kanye West. He called himself Ye, and some people are calling him Black Moses. And if you know that he is Black Moses, then you know. Keep the faith alive. Once again, this was Annalie QB. This was one of those uploads where I came, I touched. Now let the peace of the Most High Yah that is within me stays within me. Till next time.